Hey guys, it's Quentin. We're in our neighbor's garage looking today at the Sears Craftsman 1/2 horsepower chain drive garage door opener. Now, let's close it. Open it back up. It's still noisy. Well, ours is kind of quieter, a little quieter. So, yeah, and that light bulb still works, but there's still no light cover. Light cover is missing, but they didn't make one on this. So, that I got a video. So, okay.
And don't forget, did you see I got my car back?
Yeah, and Angela got her car back. Yeah, and her Acura TLX.
What are you doing? I'm going to put my stuff away.
Why?
And I'll be back outside.
Okay. Okay. I'll see you later. Okay. I will need a video on YouTube. Okay. Thank you for letting me videotape.
Thanks. I'm glad you got your car back. It looks nice.
Yeah.
Is it good to have it back? Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah. Okay. I will need a video on YouTube. Check back soon and subscribe for the channel. Bye.